true or false, e-cigs are regulated?
I would guess true.
False.
True, I think.
True or false, electronic cigarettes are regulated?
False.
True.
False.
True.
I would say false, just because they're so new and the government moves so slow, but I don't know for sure.
Why do you say true?
I just feel like they would be.
Okay, and why do you think that?
I just hear on advertisements or read in print advertisements that it's a lot healthier. So, I mean, I haven't done my research or anything, but just reading that over and over that it's healthier, I would assume there would have to be something to back that up, some kind of approval or research behind it.
I assume all tobacco products are regulated on some level. I don't know if e-cigarettes are more regulated or less regulated than regular cigarettes.
I think that e-cigarettes are close enough to cigarettes that they would be grouped under the cigarette category or the tobacco product category, and I know that those are fairly heavily watched over. I don't know, I feel like, I just feel like they would be.